Now, all I ask you this, Ambassador.
Yes, I am an ambassador, I'm an official, and I tell you with certainty, this was an Israeli airstrike.
Where's your evidence?
I have the evidence and you will see the evidence.
But where is it?
I'll tell you what's my evidence. My evidence is that we are calling for the Red Cross to come and investigate this and for the ICC. And until now, the Red Cross has the responsibility at such war crimes. Who's blocking the Red Cross? Anyway, we have very strong civil society, human rights organizations on the ground. We are communicating with them. Tomorrow you will hear from everybody.
And you believe you will produce evidence that it was Israeli?
Yes, we will.